Hello, my friends. I hope you enjoy my recipe and benefit from it. Today's recipe for layers of bread. The recipe is one of my grandmother's recipes. This recipe is 100 years old or more. This is what my grandmother says. And until now, the recipe is widespread and the general public prefers it. As you have seen, we need 175 ml of warm milk, and we add 5 grams of yeast. And after that, we add 45 grams of sugar. We have to mix the materials together until the yeast reacts, as you saw. After that, we add an egg and return to mixing the materials together. After adding the eggs, we add 350 grams of flour and 2 grams of salt, as you saw, and we begin kneading as you saw. After the dough stage is finished, wait 50 minutes until the dough ferments. And after fermenting the dough, it doubles in size. It is a delicious and easy recipe. I see that most people prefer old types of bread because it is delicious, and I am one of the people who prefer it. Do you prefer it? Please write your opinions in the comments. After the fermentation stage is over, we put a little flour on the table, as you can see, and we begin to roll out the dough. I had a lot of fun when I made this recipe, and even my grandmother was very happy and surprised at the success of this recipe. My friends, I will be very happy if you write to me in the comments what you think of my recipe and from which country you will see me again. After the dough is finished rolling out, we add the butter. The butter must be at room temperature so that it is soft in the work. We begin to form the dough. As you can see that the taste of the bread is delicious and very delicious, and I prefer it for breakfast. And you, my friend, what do you prefer? Please, my friends, pay attention to the method of forming the dough because it is very important. It does not require a lot of work. We need to put butter more than once. Wait, my friend, you will enjoy the view of the bread and its delicious smell. When you make this recipe, my friends, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like. I will be very happy because this helps me grow the channel. After finishing putting the butter in 2 stages, we begin rolling the dough as you saw. What a fun recipe! After the stage of finishing rolling the dough, we begin cutting it in the way. You saw it when I was young. I was watching my grandmother make this recipe, and we had neighbors who always asked my grandmother to make this recipe, and I was watching her with amazement and asking her, "Why, my grandmother, do you put butter more than once?" She said to me while laughing, "This is one of the secrets of successful bread." After we finish cutting the dough, we bring a 25-centimeter mold and grease it with butter, as you saw, and we put the dough in, the mold in the form that you see. After that, we bring a clean cloth, cover the dough, and wait 50 minutes for the dough to ferment after shaping it and double in size after that. After that, we bring the egg yolk and grease the dough, as you saw in the baking stage. We need a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius for a period of time. 20 minutes after completing the baking stage, we bring a little butter and spread it, as you can see, my friends. The smell is indescribable. It is very delicious. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Write to me in the comments. If you like this recipe, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thank you, my friends, and thank you for following me. I wish you well. Have a nice day. See you in a new recipe and a new video, my friends. I hope you stay in good health always. Bye.